So in a previous video I had shown how the base of this chair broke. That's fun. So I went on Amazon and I found another one that Bozos was supposed to pay for, but apparently this one does not apply for the Amazon Forever guarantee. And the reason why, you can see right here, that's the box it came in, and that's the old one. So I don't like the design of this. They didn't even allude to the fact that it was like it on the in the pictures. So we got a bunch of parts and pieces. We have the arms over here. So we got 5 of them. It's even got the red. See, I got that it would match, you know, and it didn't end up working out. Sometimes that's what happens. So we got all 5 of them. And those are in fine shape. And we got the whorls. We'll put them in the box here. What I do like about the whorls is they actually whirl. Well, that one doesn't. Well, that's good, but that one does. That whirls pretty good. That one, not so much. Swivel? Barely. Good. And they're at least not really a plastic, but not really a rubber. Kind of hard to tell, but better than hard plastic, I think. I'll get flat spots or something. I don't know. And then they give you this, which is in plastique. So you're going to unwrap that. And see how the arms go in. Of course, there's no instructions, but they should have made this so a 4-year-old could do it. I'm older than that, so that's not going to work. Well, it kind of... That's right? Something like that. Yeah, it looks like it should kind of go and knuckle in that way, but it doesn't. Not like that. You can't make it straight. Oh, maybe this way. No, I get stuck that way too. See, this is what happens after I'm outside mowing all day. I have no idea how anything goes. So I got to figure things out and somehow figure out how this goes together. It's got the ears on it, and it's got these caboodles, and it goes in like that. Okay, I have no idea how I just did that, but that's how it goes. And then it snaps in. Right. And apparently that's not going to snap out, because when you sit on, you know, okay, and then it doesn't. But when you pick it up, the whole thing will collapse. Good. Okay, so now I know how that goes. And how did that go again? It just sort of, I just sort of magically found the angle of the, there. You got to find just the right angle of the dangle. There. Okay, and then you got to find the right angle of the dangle. Right, there we go. And you got to find the right angle of the dangle, which of course is proportional to the heat of the meat. And one more. Snap. There. Goodie. All right, let's see what's going on here. There. That's where the camera should have been, but I gotta, see, I'm trying to fix the chair so I could edit the damn videos, right? That's nice. So that is, well, that doesn't work, okay. There's that, and then it just sort of mushes in. And yeah, this is just a little hokey. Of course, it would be nice to know if it fits on the chair first, but I did measure it. They said if it's 2 inches, it fits. So if not, it goes back. because please allow 1 to 2 millimeters for manual measurement. They don't even lock in. They just sort of push. They just sort of push. That and that. There. And then turning it over. This is totally not going to break the first time I sit in the chair. Totally not going to break. Alright, there's that. We'll get rid of that. And now, with this too heavy, okay, maybe a little wonky, but maybe when you sit on it, it'll work, or I'll topple over. So I think, oh, is it kind of stuck on there now? No. Alright, so let me get the chair in this. And, well, that ring came out. So that probably is supposed to go in there. That was part of the chair. And then somehow it's supposed to stay and not go right through. Right, sure. It is tapered here a little. This isn't going to go well, I can tell. Okay, if we get the chair, and that's that. And this is here because Wittens, so that's why the thing is on it. But it doesn't matter, they find a way to peel it off, and I don't have high hopes for this. I really do not. I want to move the chair back. It seems so much higher, which I'm not adverse to. Let's see where we are here. Yeah, there. Where are we? It seems so much higher. God, I'm scared to get in it. It literally is too high. Wow. It's holding. Of course, it's sitting upside down. Now these got flat spots on them. I win. Alright, chair's fixed. This will work. It rolls good. I like that. That'll work fine. Okay. I could actually lower this thing. Where is the appropriate lever? This one? Yeah. That's more betterer. Perfect. Okay, chair's fixed. That's good. Too bad I had to pay for it. And like I said, look. The typical Amazon dick is never going to know. They'll never know the difference. Angle grinder it out and put all back in the box. Should I pry out the wheels? Save the wheel. They were shit anyway. Oh, interestingly, they're kind of feel like the same kind of material. So this one will suck too. Okay, good. I've never seen such a jagged break like that. That is absolutely amazing. Okay. Video editing abound. And then I'm gonna have a barbecue because it was a nice day out. Alright, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.